Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Parker Confidential. Okay, so candidly, it feels like day 800,000 of the stay-at-home issue. I live in California, and you know there's a stay-at-home mandate here. So we have been following the rules to a T because I'm kind of a rule follower, truth be known. Most of the time, I'm a rule follower. And we wanted to do our part and make sure that everybody's safe, nobody gets the coronavirus, and that we are doing our part. So I know that it's been frustrating and stressful for a lot of people. It just is. We've had our normal daily lives interrupted. We can't go anywhere. We can't do anything. And then there's the stress of, just people around you getting sick. And that, breaks my heart when you see that on TV. It's just not fun. So here's the thing. I think that there's always a silver lining with everything. So aside from the fact that we really have an opportunity to reconnect with the people that we love and our family and spend time with them with all of our distractions taken away, it's also a really good time to help nourish and look introspectively and take care of yourself, right? I think that so many times we've got a schedule that's jam-packed every single day, back to back to back to back, that we don't take time to take a chill pill, slow our roll, and take care of ourselves. And so this is really an opportunity to do that. I mean, what else are you gonna do, right? So one of the areas that I think builds the foundation of self-care is your diet. And that comes in eating healthy. What is eating healthy? Eating healthy is kind of a nebulous term because people define it differently. Here's how I define eating healthy, and this is kind of the backbone of Annie Parker Confidential and how we define everything. It is primarily a diet of whole fruits and vegetables, lean meat and seafood, unless you're a vegetarian, God love you, whole grains, dairy, and good fats, right? A minimal amount of good fats because we need good fats in our bodies. So I take this time to invest in new recipes and making those healthy dinners or lunches or breakfasts that you've just really never had the time to do, right? I mean, this is the perfect time to do that. Learn a few recipes, and you don't have to have a million different recipes to eat healthy. Candidly, I have like a handful of my go-tos that I love, that I eat all the time, and that's kind of how I live. So fortunately, the grocery stores are still operational. Food is abundant. It's not an issue with the food and the supply chain. It's more an issue of restocking. If you've noticed, some of the grocery stores have been empty shelves, but it's more of a restocking issue. So all of this stuff is plentiful. Everything you can order online from Amazon, or you can order Instacart. I'm not a fan of Instacart. They're just completely unreliable. But Amazon Prime has been great. So today what we're going to do is we are going to make a Waldorf salad, and it is with spinach, apples, walnuts, a little goat cheese, and normally it has a mayonnaise dressing, but we're not going to do that. We're going to make it a little lighter with an apple-cider vinaigrette, and it is sugar-free because I'm huge on sugar. Oh, and by the way, if you want to get completely sugar-free and detox from sugar, you want to be sure to sign up for my 28-day California sugar cleanse that is coming in April. It's going to be about a book, probably magazine style book, with lots of great recipes, lots of good information on sugar and why you don't want to have it, what it does to us. And it's a good book with lots of great recipes. So you want to be sure to sign up for that below. All right, so Waldorf salad. This is one of our healthy meals, and this is how we're going to make it. Come make it with me. that's the dish. This is super easy. Now the salad dressing makes a few servings, so just put it in the refrigerator and save it till later. But this is delicious, and okay. This is Oliver, this is my husband, and he gets to help today. He gets to be the taste tester. So it's good, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really good. I made this with a full chicken breast. You can have it with half a chicken breast if you want, or you can have it as an entree. This will be his snack. This would be a meal for me. This is his snack, but the whole family will love it. Husbands love it, husband approved, super healthy, easy, and hopefully it'll be part of your repertoire. For this and more recipes and all you need to know on beauty, wellness, style, healthy eating, and healthy living, join me at AnnieParkerConfidential.com. See you on the blog.